Hi there, Melanie from WTI. And how many controllers is too many? This is the really cool and fun Pro controller. My son absolutely loves it. It works with his Switch. Let me show you exactly what kind of a master he is at this Pro controller. This PowerA Pro controller is the greatest thing ever. This particular color is the Fireball Mario, which is one of his hottest power-ups. It's got everything you need on here, from taking pictures to pausing it. The Z, L, and R, and the L and R, of course, to do all the fancy crouching, jumping, and moving around that you need to do, whether it's with Mario or other games. And the 10-foot cord allows you to play from even on the couch. My son prefers this to the smaller Switch remotes because it's easier for him to hold. He feels he's got more control over the game, and he just has a lot more fun in it. And it even has an audio jack so they can play their game nice and quiet. So if you're looking for one, this comes in so many different designs, but it's great to hold. It feels great. The buttons are great. Everything about it is fantastic. I know you're going to be impressed with it like I was too, and that's my point of view.